In this lesson, we will solve question number 17th and 18th of exercise 1.2. Question number 17th, we have 15x plus 2 is less than 3 into 4 minus x positive 2 into 1 minus 6x. So see on the left hand side, we have 15x plus 2 and there is no parenthesis. It means 15x plus 2 will remains the same in first step. Here we have to multiply or open these two parentheses, 3 4 times 12 minus 3x sorry, plus 2 negative 12x. Now we are going to take the transpose. See, this is positive 15x. Here we have negative 3x, negative 12x. We have to take the transpose. So the sign will change. And then this is the lesser than sign. And this one is 12 will remains the same on the right hand side. Positive 2. Only we have positive 2 on the left hand side. We have to take the transpose. Transpose means you have to bring it to the other side of the inequality. So it is negative 2. This is positive 2. Negative 2 will cancel. Here we have only 12. But these are all positive. So this is 30x. So here we have to divide both sides with the positive 30. It means there is no need to switch this sign. It will be 12 over 30. If we simplify it, x is lesser than 6 2 times 12, 6 5 times 30. It will be 2 over 5 and this is our answer. In question number 18, we have fraction. And we have discussed fraction very well in exercise 1.1, but again I am going to explain it here. See, 3, this is y over 2 minus 3y. Here and here we do not have any denominator. If we do not have any denominator, it means there is 1. If you want, you can write down, but there is no rule. I'm just going to make it simple for you. That is why I am writing these one denominator. So see, these are fractions. Whenever you have fractions, you have to remove the fractions, right? Or simply you have to make the denominator 1. This is 1, this is 1, but here we do not have one denominator. Again, here we have 3. We have to make it 1. How we have to make it 1? So see, these are 4 terms. This is one term, then negative sign, this second term, third term and fourth term. We have to multiply these 4 terms with a number. But how you will select a number? Very simple way is just multiply whatever is in the denominator. 3 2 times 6. So multiply all these 4 terms with 6. I can write down here. So in this way, see, now 2 1 time 2, 2 2 times 6. Here 3 1 time, 3 3 2 times 6. See, now we have all 1. So multiply it. In the numerator we have only 2y left. Negative 6 3 times 18y. Here is 30 negative 4y. See, now we have 1 1 1. So there is no need to write down 1 in the denominator. So here is negative 18y and this is, sorry, this is 3, right? I can correct it. Two 3 times 6. Now we will take the transpose. See, this 3y will remains the same. Negative 18y will remains the same. This is negative 4y. So it will be positive 4y is greater than equal to 30. So this is 4y, this is positive 7y, this is negative 18y. So it will be negative 11y is greater than equal to 30. This is negative 11. We have to divide both sides with the negative sign, negative number. It is important. These two will cancel. Y. Here you have to switch the sign, will be less than or equal to negative 30 over 11, and this is our answer. So I hope both questions are clear. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.